So I want to give you a quick demo of how you can use MyTradingBuddy if you're taking a prop firm challenge, if you're using your brokerage account, or if you're just long-term investing using whatever like Robinhood or something like this. What you're going to do first is you're going to come in here and create a new chat. And you're going to tag your trading plan. So this app is specifically for traders. Also, you can use it for investing long term, like if you're really looking for a place to buy, but it's specifically for day traders. And the whole AI is day trading specific. It knows your trading plan, it knows your account capital, things like this. And the goal is really to use AI's abilities and your trading knowledge and make you a better trader. It's like an AI assistant for day trading. And yeah, so I'll get started. I'll do my Forex plan here, and then I'm gonna choose EURUSD. I'm gonna create a new chat. If you watch other videos, I won't go into too much details, but you can create a trading plan in here. And when you create a trading plan, all that information will be now accessible by the AI within this chat. So like you can always ask it, what are my confluence factors I look for, etc. And this will make sense in a second when I show you how to use the AI image analysis, which is really the core of the app. But it's going to tell me like every single thing. London, session, New York, blah, 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 liquidity zones, etc. And my risk reward ratio, 1% risk per trade. And so let me move this over here. And I want to show you the first real feature I recommend doing. It's a new feature. It's live. You just got to toggle that on and then target your chart here, right here. And so what's happening now is in a moment, the chart and the chat will sync. The AI will know EURUSD, the price and stuff like that. Now the numbers are a little off for Forex right now, but it knows the current price if you ask it, like what's the current price? And the AI will tell you exactly, what the current price is. So it's 1.17604. It's rounding up right now. That'll be fixed, but it's because Forex has all those decimals. Anyways, you come in here and you push chart analysis. There's a lot of different ones. If you're a smart money concepts trader, you can use SMC. If you like trend and structure, you can use trend and structure. Chart is the default one. I recommend using that one first. And then you have institutional ones right here and some other intelligence. So you're pretty much going to stay on these top three with occasionally going to institutional activity. At least that's what I do. I do use these ones when I'm like confused of what might happen if I want to see really just like volume, etc. So now this is how you use the app. You just got to take a screenshot. Since I'm live feeding, AI already knows the tab I'm looking at. Push analyze. And this chart image will now send to the AI to begin its analysis. It's going to think through, take about 30 seconds or so. AI is coming back with a short idea. So it's going to short here to here, back down to this level, 1596. Back down here, 1596. So not too far down, but pretty much let it retrace and come back down. Now I will show you smart money concepts, because this might come up with a different trade. If you're a trader, this will make sense. There could be like an order block here. Like if you see from yesterday, there was a lot of buying going up. So there could be an order block they're trying to fill, and then they're going to go up. So that's why I recommend running different ones. And here we have smart money concepts. Take an image, analyze it, and etc. So when you get an AI image analysis back, you can scroll down within the message and see the confirmation needed, risk assessment, all this information right here, and then really help you understand what's going on. So smart money ones came back. Once a short, 64.90. Pretty much same as the other one, except it's going to tell you, more information regarding smart money concepts. Could fill this one, could fill this order block right here, etc. So what you're going to do is pretty much run this like a lot, constantly when you're trading. So what I just did there is auto capture. It's going to take 3. And what you're trying to do as a trader, you're trying to see what's going on in the charts, see what AI is saying, where the levels are, etc. And then you're going to wait for confirmation of the trade. So here we need to reject at 690, which is all the way up here pretty much. So it could come up and retrace, but we will need to see a lot of selling right here to confirm that idea will work. Okay, so one just came back. It's all saying short, obviously, because it's bearish structure. It wants a retracement, retest this trend pretty much, and then come back down. It is now kind of going above these SMAs, so you never know, and there's a lot of buying over here yesterday, so it could come back up here to 0.5. We'll see what another one says in a moment. We have an order block at here, 800, 830, that could get filled, but that's all the way up here. 73, 780. So it could come back up here, test this, broken structure, and then come back down. So what you're trying to do is you're trying to improve your thinking as a trader. Now we have AI as kind of your partner in finding the best trade possible. It's going to provide you a whole breakdown. It has all this data in the chat, so you can ask it any question you want, like what happens if it comes here and there's a lot of buying. Maybe the AI will say wait for the 0.618 retracement and information like that. So still all shorts, 90% pretty high, 640, 1483, could go to 1483 again, 144, 410, 56, 408. So it could come back down to here and test this weekly open, but we probably want to wait for a retest of pretty much this AI overall idea, 7.5, 7.6. So it could start here, come up here. If I hop down into a 5-minute, for example, you might find a different trade. For example, it could be saying long. Now the 5-minute chart is open. We'll run one right here. Let's just do setup scanner so you can see that one as well. Sending in the image right here. So this is where you have to really combine what the AI is saying, especially on different time frames, like 4 hour, 1 hour, 15-minute, 5-minute, there could be different ideas. So, if we were to look at 4-hour, okay, it's going down, but we can see, okay, there was a lot of buying here. This held support, since yesterday, and so it could potentially be wrong on a 15-minute time frame, but the 4-hour time frame could work. So that's where you have to really bring in your skills as a trader and analyze multiple time frames. So in this demo, I just did 15-minute, 5-minute, but you can do all the different time frames you want, 1 minute even, and each of them will have a different perspective, because obviously there's different, there's more data, more days, different Fibonacci layouts, different whatever, more price action to analyze. So yeah, still short on 5-minute, could come back down 80%, that's pretty good. If we go up to 675, be careful of a reverse. 750, be careful. So yeah, if it comes back up here, pretty much, we should watch out. Then it could flip to bull, but we'll have to see. And yeah, so this is how to use MyTradingBuddy. You're sending in a lot of images, different time frames, and everything like that. You're gonna chat with the AI. The AI knows your trading plan, and eventually, when you feel very confident in a trade, you can choose to, take the AI's trade, or you can combine it with what you see and, take your own trade. This is supposed to enhance your abilities. The AI ideas are pretty accurate. There is sometimes, when there's manipulation occurring or stuff like that, you will get long, short, and it will be a little confusing. But if you see, different time frames and, what levels are holding and confirm it with AI ideas, then you can really amplify your abilities as a day trader. So if you like this and you want to see more, you can watch more YouTube videos of how MyTradingBuddy.ai works, or you can sign up at mytradingbuddy.ai.com, mytradingbuddy.ai.